Starting an LLC in Washington State is a great way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can set up your LLC quickly and confidently. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Washington requires the name to be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Washington Secretary of State's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC, or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file a certificate of formation. In Washington, you can file online or by mail through the Secretary of State. The filing fee is $200 online or $180 by mail. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Washington doesn't require one by law, but having an operating agreement helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Finally, Washington requires every LLC to file an annual report to stay in good standing. The filing fee is $71, and the report is due each year by the end of your LLC's anniversary month. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Washington State, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.